Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you trying to check your Microsoft Outlook emails, but instead of loading your inbox, it keeps asking your password again and again? Even after you type the correct password, Outlook just refuses to remember it. It's annoying, right? Don't worry, you're not the only one facing this problem. It's a really common issue and can be fixed by making a few changes in your account settings. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to stop Outlook from constantly asking for your password and getting everything working smoothly again. Alright, let's get started. Begin by launching your Outlook. Then click on File in the top left corner. Now, choose the Account Settings drop-down and select Account Settings. Next, click on Change. Click on More Settings in the bottom right. Now, select the Security tab and unselect the prompt for logon credentials, then reopen your Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.